It all begins with the cocoa bean, nurtured under tropical sun.
Every pod is hand-harvested to preserve the precious beans inside.
Farmers bring the harvest together, preparing for extraction. Inside each pod, cocoa beans glisten, waiting for the next stage. Careful fermentation develops the chocolate's signature flavor.
Covered and protected, the beans transform over several days.
Fermentation brings out the rich chocolate aroma we know so well.
Sun-drying locks in flavor and reduces moisture for safe transport.
Now dried and fragrant, the beans are ready for the journey to the factory.
Each sack carries the essence of chocolate's journey, from farm to factory. From the plantation, beans travel carefully to ensure quality is preserved.
Every bean carries the story of careful growth and harvest.
The journey continues as beans enter the factory for transformation.
Here, the cocoa beans meet the machines that will turn them into chocolate magic.
Every bean is handled with care, beginning its journey to the factory floor. Safety and precision ensure beans arrive intact and unspoiled.
From farm to factory, cocoa beans travel miles across varied terrain.
Every sack tells a story of growth, care, and potential chocolate magic.
The first signs of the factory mark the transition from raw to refined.
Each delivery is timed precisely to keep production flowing seamlessly. Precision in every move ensures quality is never compromised.
The factory doors open to welcome the raw cocoa treasure.
1, 2, 3.
Advanced machinery begins the delicate handling process inside the plant.
From truck to conveyor, every step maintains integrity of the beans.
The conveyor guides beans toward the first stage of transformation.
From farm to facility, the journey of chocolate has just begun.
Hoppers receive the cocoa beans, holding them for the next phase of production.
The factory stands ready, a hub where raw beans become chocolate.
Every shipment is welcomed with precision, ready for processing.
You're cleared. Proceed inside.
Strict checks maintain quality and security from the very first step.
Inside the yard, movement is constant and coordinated with care. Precision docking ensures smooth transfer of cocoa beans into the facility.
Every sack is handled delicately, preserving its precious contents.
Forklifts work in harmony with humans to maintain workflow efficiency.
Conveyors guide the cocoa beans seamlessly into the heart of production.
Every movement is monitored to ensure beans arrive intact and on schedule.
Coordination between humans and machines keeps production flowing flawlessly.
The scale of operations is vast,
yet every process is precise.
Internal logistics guide the cocoa beans to their next processing stage. Safety and organization are as important as the beans themselves. And now, the beans enter the heart of chocolate production.
Every bean begins its journey through precision cleaning and sorting.
Vibrating screens shake away impurities, leaving only the finest beans.
Skilled eyes remove imperfect beans, ensuring consistent quality.
High-tech airflow separates dust and lighter particles efficiently. Clean, sorted beans move seamlessly to the next phase of chocolate creation. Roasting begins, unlocking the rich chocolate aroma hidden in every bean.
Temperature and timing are precise, ensuring perfect flavor development.
Conching develops texture, flavor, and the signature smoothness of KitKat chocolate.
Every batch is tested to ensure perfect viscosity and flavor. Every batch is tested to ensure perfect viscosity and flavor.
Tempering gives chocolate its shine, snap, and smooth texture. Cooling locks in flavor and texture, finalizing the chocolate's core.
Here, chocolate meets wafer, creating the iconic KitKat layers.
Precision ensures every bar has perfect symmetry and bite.
Consistency is key to maintaining KitKat's signature texture.
Vibrations remove trapped air, leaving smooth, flawless chocolate. Cooling locks in structure, preparing bars for final shaping.
Each bar is gently freed from its mold, maintaining flawless shape.
Skilled eyes ensure every bar meets the high-quality standard.
A final coat of chocolate gives KitKats their signature shine and taste.
Rapid cooling ensures the coating sets perfectly without defects.
Every bar is inspected for visual and textural perfection.
Technology ensures each KitKat is perfectly aligned before wrapping.
Wrapping begins, protecting freshness and maintaining shape. Branded packaging adds the final touch to every KitKat bar.
Traceability guarantees quality from factory to consumer.
High-tech vision systems catch even the smallest imperfections. Sealing ensures freshness while preserving the chocolate's structure.
Only perfect bars continue, maintaining KitKat's uncompromising quality.
Robots streamline packing, improving efficiency and accuracy. Branding and information are applied with exact precision for every bar.
Every bar is weighed to meet strict quality standards.
Smart automation organizes bars efficiently, ready for dispatch. Palletizing robots handle heavy loads with speed and accuracy. Each pallet is stacked perfectly, ready for secure transport.
Shrink wrapping safeguards the product during storage and shipment.
Digital monitoring keeps every product accounted for, ensuring traceability.
Automation maximizes efficiency while maintaining flawless quality standards.
Precision ensures each bar meets the highest standards before packaging.
Visual inspection checks for color consistency and flawless texture.
Every bar is weighed to confirm uniformity across the batch.
Temperature checks ensure optimal texture and snap in every bar.
Sugar levels are measured meticulously, ensuring consistent sweetness.
And this is how modern factories produce KitKat from start to finish. Every bar tells a story, from cocoa bean to chocolate delight.